Welcome to Market Monkeys. Today
we're going to talk about the top 3 stocks for December that we recommend because of what we've seen just recently. So let's get started.
Let's get into it.
Oh, by the way, if you like something here, subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, but we need subscribers. Come on. Okay, let's get into it with Shopify. Right, obviously a little while back we had an episode, they took a dip, then they raised back up again. But yesterday, I think it was yesterday, yeah, they went down. Nearly all the North American tech stocks bit the bullet. They all went down huge. I'm talking massive amounts. A lot of profit taking.
It's consolidation of a lot of the companies, you know. We've had a massive run up in tech lately. The whole market as a whole in America.
Yeah. And a lot of these top tech stocks have gone up like 100 to 160%. It's
in
just
the past
been
year,
200% a year. So they've dropped back a little bit. And if you own the stock, which I do, some of them, you don't have to worry about it. You think, well, you know, let's start off with Shopify, right? So they've just done the Black Friday. They've hit 2 firsts for themselves as a company. The first one was they sold on the Black Friday and the Cyber Monday. First time they've ever hit $1 billion turnover. Right. This company's been going 2 years. I know it started in 2004, but it's been listed 2 years, since 2014, 15. Okay. The second thing was, not only they turned over $1 billion for the first time ever in a couple of days, they've done $1 million turnover in a minute. For a new company, it's incredible.
That's incredible. So
their stocks dropped. Anyway, when I saw that, to me, I know people are probably taking and consolidating. It's a buying signal, and the reason we are recommending it this month is, 1, it's taken a drop, and 2, we are now coming to the internet time of Christmas, right? And believe me, between the three companies we've picked for Christmas, when you see their figures after Christmas, when they come out in their quarter, the first quarter of the year, it's going to be incredible, because they're already doing massive amounts on the internet now, because everybody's going that way towards the internet. Yes, the high street, yes, the malls and all that are still doing well, but a lot more people going on the internet, and we are going to see those figures come flying through after Christmas. Right, so this is why we're picking them in December. We think Shopify is one of the 3 we pick, is going to do terrific business running up all over Christmas, and we'll find out in the new year. And if you buy it now, it's going to be a great pick. Right, number 2, Scott, we're going to be picking
Alibaba. We've been looking at Alibaba for a few years now, really.
Yeah.
When it first IPO'd, I know you wanted to jump in that one.
Yeah.
It did take a bit of a dip right off, and then we sort of panicked, didn't we? Because we was like, actually, we don't know too much about the company.
Well, we did an option trade on it and just cleaned ourselves out with it. Yeah. But anyway, you know, it was just one of those things. I do really like Alibaba. It's the big Chinese thing. It's phenomenal, and their Singles Days. You only got to read about it. It's just incredible business. Once again,
I always think of Alibaba as the Amazon of China.
Yeah.
Right?
No, you're spot on.
So that's how I see it, like that. So they're basically in Asia. They are the Amazon.
Number 1.
Right?
And they're into everything.
And
I saw recently Alibaba just bought a 36% stake in the largest, like, Walmart equivalent.
Oh, I heard about that.
That's right. The Walmart equivalent of China. Right. Yeah. So you can imagine how big they are. They just taken a solid, like bricks and mortar stock off them, holding of 36%. Once again, they're putting their money into bricks and mortar, getting a good combination there. Fantastic company going forward. Had a massive growth this year. The growth has been huge.
Well, it's massively diversified, much as like Amazon is, It's
exactly.
Hugely diversified. It's all across China, and it's growing like crazy, right?
Yeah. So Christmas is going to be fantastic for them, right? And that will in their first set of figures after Christmas. Obviously, that will equate, once the figures come out, same as Shopify, up goes the stock.
Okay.
Which other way can it go? If you make money, which way is it going? Up, right? And at the moment, we're seeing a dip. Fantastic.
Yeah.
Now the other stock that's taken a good kicking, a real good kicking yesterday, amongst others of internet companies that we are, especially you own, Amazon. Well, huge company. Don't need to tell anybody about it. They all know who it is. Everybody's buying off it.
Yeah, it's
I
true.
went to a seminar the other day, Scott, and it was just mind-blowing. 139 billion turnover.
Yeah.
And, you know, over half of that done by third-party sellers, people like us selling things on Amazon.
Yeah.
Incredible. Over half of that money's done by third-party sellers like ourselves.
And you're saying that they're looking to increase it over the next 5 years, right?
I think it's the next 5 years, they reckon the overall internet growth of sales over the internet is going to double. So
Wow.
what's that going to do for these companies? But
It's going to be massive.
you know,
And all these companies, these three that we're talking about, Amazon, Shopify, and Alibaba, they're all on the internet
Huge.
sales, basically, right?
it's all about internet sales for them.
So,
And once again, Amazon, everybody's on there anyway. I think there's 2.5 billion people on that site a month buying, or either on there or buying. But anyway, they're going to have a phenomenal Christmas. Their figures are going to be huge.
it's a great
For
point.
us, the three of them are a buy.
Yeah.
And then because they've all taken in, you know, they've all taken a drop. All these internet companies have taken a drop.
Just the past
Just a dip.
couple of days.
Couple of days, taking a dip.
It's going to be
Time to get in.
consolidation. Now
Give
it's
it a couple of
on-
months, see where they go. Because I think they're up.
On the way up, yeah.
And by the way, I'm heavily, obviously I told you before, I'm heavily into Shopify. Like them.
A good company.
Hey guys, if you like what you heard, subscribe. We'll be here soon.
Thanks very
Hey,
much.
Monkeys over and out.